For decades, the aircraft carrier has been the ultimate symbol of American sea power. Yet as rival nations develop hypersonic missiles and advanced anti-access weapons, a critical question emerges. Can the U.S. Navy's aging Nimitz-class carriers still dominate tomorrow's battles? Today, we explore the vision of America's next supercarrier, a warship designed to ensure U.S. naval supremacy deep into the 21st century. The Nimitz-class carriers, introduced in the 1970s, have long served as floating air bases projecting power across the globe. But time and technology have shifted the battlefield. China's DF-21D carrier-killer missiles, Russia's hypersonic weapons, and a rapidly militarizing Indo-Pacific region all present unprecedented threats. With tensions rising in the Taiwan Strait and South China Sea, U.S. carriers must be able to operate in highly contested waters, areas bristling with advanced sensors, missiles, and submarines. The current fleet, though formidable, risks being outpaced by emerging technologies and strategies, specifically designed to neutralize America's carrier advantage. Designing the next generation of supercarrier demands a delicate balance. Survivability is paramount. Future carriers must evade detection, resist electronic attacks, and endure missile strikes. Firepower must expand beyond traditional air wings, incorporating drones, hypersonic weapons, and long-range strike capabilities. At the same time, integrating artificial intelligence, autonomous systems, and cyber warfare resilience will redefine how carriers operate in the digital battle space. Every aspect, from logistics to tactical decision-making, will leverage AI to outthink and outmaneuver adversaries. This envisioned warship would integrate stealth shaping and electronic warfare systems, making it far harder to detect and target. Its flight deck could host a hybrid air wing, manned stealth fighters, unmanned combat drones, and next-generation surveillance aircraft.
For offensive power, the ship could launch hypersonic strike weapons, capable of penetrating enemy defenses with unmatched speed. Internally, modular power systems and energy-efficient reactors would allow future upgrades without major redesigns, ensuring the vessel stays relevant for decades. A new supercarrier would reshape global naval strategy. It would serve as a powerful deterrent, signaling that the United States can still deploy overwhelming force even in the world's most contested maritime regions. By combining technological dominance with power projection, this platform would reassure allies, deter adversaries, and maintain the U.S. Navy's role as the primary guarantor of international maritime security. In essence, the new carrier would not just fight wars, it would prevent them. The next American supercarrier is more than just a warship. It is a strategic investment in deterrence, stability, and technological supremacy. While debates over cost and necessity will persist, one fact remains clear. Aircraft carriers are not relics of the past. They are evolving instruments of 21st century power. As great power competition intensifies, this supercarrier will ensure that the U.S. Navy remains decisive, adaptable, and unchallenged on the world's oceans. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. What features do you think the next U.S. supercarrier must have? Until next time, stay informed and stay curious about the future of military technology.